Hello guys, welcome to another wonderful section of our training. And in the last video we talked about the process of logo design, and over here today we'll actually be executing logo design. In fact, something wonderful happened today and I am super excited. It just gave us an opportunity. I just received a message on WhatsApp. Let me open my WhatsApp. I received this message from WhatsApp this morning. Someone just messaged me, say, "Hi, good day. I came across your ads on FB. I need a logo for my business." So I said, "Hello, good afternoon. Please, what is your brand name?" He said his brand name is what? Diamond Autos. He said he sells cars. Okay, I now said, okay, we can give you a logo that will best define your brand. We would like to see, would you like to see some of our work? He said, definitely. I said, okay. So I sent the person a link to our portfolio and he said, "Nice jobs, how much?" I said, "Thanks." And I said, "Our logo design service goes for 20,000 naira. We will give you 2 different designs from which you will choose from and deliver in 48 hours. If you do not like the designs we're giving to you, you can review till you are satisfied." He now said, "Oops, I saw that is high. I saw 1,999 naira on your post." Yes, that was the promo that we actually gave out then. So I now told him that promo is long expired. Be sure that we can give you something that will best represent your brand. As you have seen, our jobs are very professional. He now said, "Yes, I love your jobs. I can afford 10K for now. If it's good, send me your details." And I said, okay, we'll show. Okay, well, I just want to show you how professional we can be. No problem. My dear, 10,000 are big money, especially at this period. We need to grab the money. Also, for a job that we can do within how many minutes? Within 15 minutes, I finished this job. So now I sent him my details, and he did what? Surprisingly, he sent the money, and after sending the money, "Please, what details do you need? Business name, slogan, address, social media info, that and that and that." And then he did what? He confirmed. He now sent me his details. Diamond Autos, slogan, the ultimate driving experience, plus 145 minutes apply road, that. So these are his details. And I said, "Alright, I will get to job." So guys, what am I trying to say? I just got a job from a client that we are actually going to be using for our practicals. So I'm very happy that this is a real job. So it does not look like it is a demo. So you see exactly how I start the process and how I'm going to end the process. So you also should be happy that we got a demo job that we can use. I also want you to know that you can get your clients online. I run Facebook ads for this post, for my post on Facebook. I run Facebook ads and it has really done what? Converted so much for me. So guys, after this training, what I just want you to do is set up a Facebook page as a graphics designer and do everything possible to run ads on your page. There are so many customers out there who want your services. I hope you get my point. So guys, let's get straight on into the job of the day. Let us design this logo for this brand name, Diamond Autos, with this information. The very first thing that I'll just need to do here is to copy this information, because this will be my outline. Copy this information. Let me look for a notepad to put it. Okay, put it here on this notepad so I have them saved here. So guys, we move over to what? Our AI is already opened. Now for you to design a logo, the recommended size for logo design is what? 2500 pixels by 2500 pixels. But I love using 2500 by 1500 or by 2000. So just go over to create a new document. Okay, file, new, and we'll save the name of the document was Diamond Autos logo, right? So 2500 by 2000, this is the size, and we'll do what? Click on OK. So it is going to open up the size of the logo for us. So this will be the size of the logo. So this person has given me his brand name, Diamond Autos. What is the first thing that I'm supposed to do? The first thing I'm supposed to do is just to go and search for what? Auto sellers logo samples on YouTube or on Google, sorry. Auto sellers or car sellers. Car sellers logos. So let it just give me an idea of what people are actually doing, what? Using. So that will also give me an idea of what to put together for my own design. And I will also try to do what? Make my design more classy and more professional than what other persons are doing. So you can see auto deals, auto classic dealership, MMG, that and that and that. So all these are just samples, auto dealer slogan, that and that and that. So we can see the first thing is that this design needs to have a car, an icon of a car in it. That is the very first thing. It must have an icon of a car in it. And since the name I have here is Diamond Autos, let me just copy this name and put it on my put it on my Adobe Illustrator text. So since the name I have here is what, Diamond Autos, enlarge it to 60 so it can be very visible. So this is the name, Diamond Autos. What and what do I really need to put together? Autos, I need to put in a car in this logo, one, and I also need to try to incorporate the feel of a diamond in it. You get my point? That is exactly what I'm going to do. So having seen these samples that, okay, I need an image of a car, a PNG image of a car, I will go and get that and the rest of them, and an image of a diamond. So for me to actually design this logo, I'm bringing two things together. Picture of a diamond and picture of a car. Those are the two things I'm bringing together. Now guys, it is very easy for you to design this from scratch. I mean, using the tools here, start drawing the diamond, start drawing the car and the rest of them. But guys, I do not do that anymore. Remember I told you what V.S.L means? Very soft life. So I don't do that anymore, guys. I don't have time to start wasting my time for shit, drawing this and that and that. We are all doing the job for the money. So I do not waste my time doing that again. All I just do is what? Is exactly what we're going to do right now. Anyway, we're going to show you exactly how to design from scratch using CorelDRAW. But the reason why I love Adobe Illustrator, because we have everything on the templates. And we cannot compare a design that I will personally do on my own to what persons have done and put on freepik.com. So we have two websites that we're actually going to work with on this design. We're actually going to work with png3.com. So all you just need to do is go over to this website and look for templates and look for logo icons, car logo icons, and I assure you, you are going to see something that is very appealing. We are just going to do that right now. So remember that we look for an icon for a diamond, we also look for an icon for a car. We'll put it together and we'll see what comes out, okay? So guys, this is png3.com. png3 is just another website like what? freepik.com. I've been using Freepik, so I just wanted to get a feel of what png3 looks like. But the challenge I have with png3 is that most of their products are premium. You must pay for them. So I'll just show you how to navigate around it in case you want to buy a premium product on png3. So all we just need to do is do what? Come over here, search for what? Car icon. That's the first thing we want to search for, car icon. Let me also go over to Freepik and search for the same thing on Freepik so we can get templates. So remember that on png3 here, you can also get EPS templates that you can edit with your Adobe Illustrator, just as you can also get from where? freepik.com. So I'm going to compare the two of them, see the free designs that they have there, and I'll choose the best one that will suit my need. You get the point? Alright, while this is loading, let me just go over to Freepik and still search for some. freepik.com. Alright guys, as you can see here, we have some PNG images. Take for example this. So all I just need to do is pick this image, put it on our Adobe Illustrator, edit it, add some feel of add a feel of a touch of a diamond to it, and we are good to go. You will see exactly how easy this is right now. Okay, so let me go down. I think this is also okay, but PSD and PNG, I need EPS. I think some of the EPS that they would have, this is EPS. Let me open this one. Okay, so this is a typical EPS file that we can download here. Can click on this download to download the EPS file. You get the point? So it is just to search for the best. Let me check out freepik.com. I think Freepik should have some things for me. freepik.com. So go over to search for what? Car logos. Car logos. I think this should bring up something good for me. Alright guys, car logos has just come up. So let me just look for a perfect design that would make sense. This is great, but this is premium. See, it is not free. So let me just look for the free ones. This is car wash. These are car icons, but not PNG. I need not EPS. I need a PNG file. Logo templates. Let me open this on a new tab. Wow, let me open this on a new tab. Wow, these designs are lovely. Wow, see this one. Wow, this is beautiful. So you see, we have so many templates. So that thing that you would be designing with CorelDRAW from scratch, I've already gotten it here. Soft life. No stress yourself. Soft life. So that thing you'll be designing with CorelDRAW, struggling, thinking of being creative, doing that and that, guys, I've gotten it here already. So before you start your own design and get to where you want to go to, bros, I've finished my own already. You get my point. So let me just look for one to download. Autodrive.com, best automotive source. This is good. Let me look for this. Automotive, your tagline here, sports car, that. So guys, this one is just choice. It's up to you now for you to choose what you want. Well, I think I'm just going to go by this. I think I'll just go by this. Yes, I'll just go by this. Car logo, that. Let me just go back. So I'll just click on download, free download. So we can download this template immediately. Okay. Yes. Our template is downloading already. So after getting this, remember I said I want to bring in two things together. I've gotten the template for the car. So I need another one for what that will represent diamonds. So I'll just go over to the same free pick and look for what? Diamonds. So you see how we are getting resources together to make sure that our job comes out really great. So which will I pick here? We have a lot of diamond pictures here. A lot. Okay, I think we have something. We have so many to choose from here. Diamond icons. So let me also download this. So when I'm ready, I'll just pick one out of this point, and we good to go, guys. So our image will download in. Okay, it has downloaded already. So guys, we are now set for this job. We're now ready to move forward. I've gotten my resources. I've seen what other people's jobs looks like. And now I want to go over to executing this project. So what do I have to do? I just open this zip file, show in folder, open the zip file. So remember we open what? The AI file or the EPS file. So either of these two is good to go. So let's open this one. Alright guys, as you can see here, our editable template has been what? Imported. Alright guys, welcome back. Sorry, my system had a little issue. I just had to fix it out. So that's why you see I am on another outfit. So I'm continuing this video on another day. Okay? Alright, so we actually have imported our template, and as you can see, it is here. So the next thing that we just need to do, remember we told the guy that we'll be designing two different logos for him. So all we just need to do is design one first, and we design another template, and we do what? We send it to the guy. So we just go on straight into doing that. So you use this select tool. What is select tool I'm using? Use the select tool. Click on any of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let me just use this one first. Just copy. Control C to copy. Copy it. Go over to your project. Okay, I think I need. Okay, let me just paste it here and paste. So once you paste it, you see it will come here. So you press down your shift key and drag. Press down your shift key and drag. So drag it, let it be very bold. Yes, we're good to go. So if you observe now, you observe that these other colors are not coming up. The reason is because this has no background yet. So I'll just come over to this shape tool, the rectangle tool, put in a rectangle inside this box. After putting in the rectangle, yes, the color of the rectangle is black already. Then I will now move this shape. Click on the select tool. I will now move this rectangle I just put and send it to where? The back. send to back, and you see this will just come up. So it has what? Come up. So this right top, I think, let me change the color to white. Yes, the right top has come up. So this is exactly the logo. This is the logo. Now remember I said we want to add a feel of diamond to it. A feel of diamond. How do we do that? All we just need to do is go and open that diamond template that we imported, select one there, and guys, we are good to go. So let me just edit this a little first so we can now get what we are doing. I think it's too big. Reduce it a little. Alright. So in order for me to edit this now, what do I need to do? I just need to ungroup, right click and ungroup. So once I've ungrouped, this one can be selected. I need to ungroup this again, ungroup this, and we are good to go. So I can now edit this, right? Yes, I can edit this. Remove this. All right. Then diamond autos. So I now drag, align it to this point, let it be like this. Alright guys, we're getting there. Then okay, I cannot delete this, so let me just go and open the diamond logo, the diamond icon, and look for somewhere to attach the diamond icon. So you see exactly how easy this is to do. Very, very easy. Go over to downloads, diamonds. Okay, diamond icons. Open the icon. So guys, you see that in less than 15 minutes you are good with your logo design. In less than 15 minutes guys, in less than 15 minutes. So this has opened. Let me take this one, let me take this, just copy, go over here, go over to your job, and then we'll do what? Paste the logo. So let me make the color of the logo white, so it will be obvious. Yes, that is it, white. And increase it a little. So where should I put it? So I just need to put the diamond anywhere, and align it very, very well. Let me reduce it a little. So this is where your ability of being creative comes in. Your ability of being creative, this is where it comes in. So once you are creative guys, you will deliver your job very, very well. Extremely well. I hope you get the point. So diamond autos, your tagline, let me edit the tagline. Where's the tagline again? I saved it somewhere. The tagline is the ultimate driving experience. Ultimate driving experience. So put this here. Yes, the ultimate driving experience. Yeah, we're good to go guys. So imagine I want to change this color or this color. I can decide to put this as red. Red, you see the color I've changed. Yellow, white. So this is how you change the color in case you want to manipulate the colors of your design. But let me still leave it at the color it was before. I can use this color eyedropper tool and select the diamond color, and it has gotten back there. I can decide to change this, the colors of these. I think I can also ungroup this, ungroup, yes. Then I can decide to change all these elements. This one inside, let me try and see red color. Let me see what red color will look like. Diamond autos, not bad, but I don't like it. So let me just leave it at what it is. So I just showed you exactly how you can manipulate the colors. You can change the colors to whatever you want, and it will come out really, 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 really perfect. So guys, the simple secret is your icons you use matters a lot. So instead of you drawing and doing everything like that, my brother, just get an icon and you are good to go. So that's exactly what you're seeing as I'm doing here. So the ultimate driving experience. This is good. So all I just want to do now, I want to group everything together. Let me group all together apart from this background. Yes, everything is together. And I do what? Control G. So this is the first logo I am giving to my clients. This is the first logo I am giving to my clients. And I tell you that this logo is what? Very, very beautiful, as you can see already. Okay? So if the client has given me a color to work with, definitely you know I can work with the colors here. So now let me just keep this here. I'm through with this one. I will add all those WhatsApp and the rest of them later. Let me just go and design the second template for him. And all I just need to do is do what? Go over to here, come here. Well, let me put a line first of all to separate them. Put a line. So the line should be there to separate them. So go over here. Which other one should I use? Which one should I use? Which one? Let me use this. Control C. And I come over here and I paste it here. Bring it down here. And raise it up. Okay. So this is good. This is okay. So the next thing I just need to do, let me enlarge it a little. Alright guys, let me enlarge this. So we're good. So I now need to ungroup. Right click and ungroup. Immediately I ungroup, everything will be what? Editable. So I need to ungroup this again. Ungroup. So I can now edit only this. Yes. Text 2. Car. So this part I'll just put the diamond here. Diamond autos. I hope you are getting the point, guys. It is really becoming very interesting. So I need to reduce the font of this particular text. Reduce the font to from 248 to, let me make it 200. Okay, let me see, reduce it a little to 150, 170. All right, I think 170 is okay. So drag up, come to the side. So now the touch of diamond, where are my diamond icons? Which one will I use? Which will I use? Let me use this. Control C, come over to the project, and paste it here. Alright, where will I put this? Let me see what it will look like inside here, or inside the O. Make it white. It does not make sense. Okay, I think it looks better here. So the issue is just being creative. Once you are creative, you are good to go. And once you are good to go, my dear, your job will come out very well. So the tagline, let me copy the tagline. Put the tagline here. Let me just copy the text from here. Okay. Ultimate driving experience. And bring this over here. So guys, as you can see, I have just done 2 designs for my clients. 2 designs, 2 wonderful designs for my client, and it is really what? Beautiful. Can you begin to imagine how long it took me to make this design? very what? Easy. Extremely easy. So let me try and drag this to the middle. Yes, try and drag this to the middle a little. Alright guys, so these are the two designs we have just done for this auto company in just how many minutes, and you see how beautiful it is looking. Now this is just the regular template, as you know. This is just the regular template. Now we will be talking about presentation of this logo, but before we talk about the presentation of this logo, let us put this job, add all those contact information, have different designs where we have those information, because a client that asks you to send him a logo actually wants the logo design #1 and would like to get all those write-up attached to it, and maybe on a 3D mock-up, on a 3D logo. Let me quickly make it very clear that this is the foundation of the 3D logos that you see. This is the foundation. After getting the logos out like this, we will now use Photoshop. That is where Photoshop comes into play. We will now use Photoshop to make these logos 3D logos. I hope you get my point. It is not difficult at all. So let me quickly save this first of all as a PNG format. For me to save it, go to File, go to Save As, Save for Web, sorry. Then let us save it as a PNG document. Okay, it is loading. So before it loads up, guys, let me quickly make it very clear that if you want to deliver your job to a client, you must deliver it on the PNG format, a JPEG format, and the mockup format. Those are the three basic formats you must deliver it in. Now the PNG format is actually the format that comes without a background. If I should save this job as a PNG, it is going to come out without a background. Of course, I'm going to remove the background if I want to do that. It will come up without a background. That is the template that they use to design websites to put on the 3D mockups and the rest of them. So the PNG is very important. Use the highest amount of PNG and save. So let me say Diamond Auto Logo Design. Yes, images only is the PNG format. Put it on desktop and we are good to go. Yes, this image has been saved. So let me just go over to creating a new document. Control M for new document, logo for Diamond Autos. The new document will come up. So immediately it comes up, I just need to do what? Copy this, bring it here, and do what? Put my background again. Black background. Make it black, and do what? Paste my job on top. So the job will come here on top. So put my job on top like this. So what do I really need now? What are the other information that the guy gave to me? Yeah, he gave me brand name, Diamond Autos, slogan, ultimate. So address, I need an icon for address. I need an icon for Facebook and the rest of them. I hope you get my point. So I'm just going to download this also from PNGs, from the free pick, so we can bring in all of these into our designs. It is very easy. So let's just go and do that immediately. So we'll go over to our online store. Alright guys, so we'll just come over here and search for what? What are we looking for? So the first thing we'll download is what? The social media icons. We'll search for that on free pick for us to see the list of social media icons that they have. Close social media icons. Alright guys, so this has come up, so let me just pick this immediately, or let me use this. I think this is premium, so let me just go for this free one. Click on this so I can pick up this Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp. Alright, download. Free download. Okay, our icon pack is downloading. As you can see here, let's just wait for it to download so we can open it up and we are good to go. Okay guys, it has successfully downloaded, so we'll just open it up, show in folder, open it up so we can complete our design. So 6 icons. So it is very good that you save these things you are downloading in a folder, so that whenever you need an icon, you can just go back to where you saved it up and pick it up instead of downloading it all over again. I hope you understand that. Okay, so open this file. Alright guys, as you can see, our social media icons have opened up. So all we just need to do is to import them and take them there. So these are just social media icons. We also need icons for the address and the rest of them. So I have another file that I downloaded. So I will just open it up. I downloaded this one in one of our classes. I don't know if you remember when we were doing business card designs. That's when I downloaded this icon. Let me just look for that. Okay, here is the icon pack business card download. So I downloaded this icon. So let's just pick up templates from here that we're going to use for this design. Open this AI file. Alright, so this is exactly what I am talking about. So we have our 2 icon files here. So which is the first that I want to attach to this project? Let's go over to WhatsApp chat. So the first thing first we should attach is the address. Plot 145 Benin Sapler Road, Edo State. Copy. Go over here. I think let's paste this somewhere here. Make the color white and increase the font size to 72. Okay, keep it somewhere. Oh, okay, bring it here. So address icon is what we should put. Where's the address? Remember, we need to do what? Ungroup all of this. Ungroup this. Ungroup this. So this is what we want to pick. Let's pick this. Copy, or let me pick this one that has background color. Copy. Go over to our job. Do what? Paste. Put the color white. So it will be obvious. Oh no. Yes, I think we can work with it this way. Let me make the color white and see what will come out. Okay, did not work. So let's leave the color like this. So bring this one down here. I think this one should even come down. It should be the last thing that should come up. Then we bring up what's the next information we have? Facebook, WhatsApp, services. We're supposed to put in the services offered. So let's put in services. The guy did not even send me services. Let me put in services here. Okay. Sales of all kinds. Sales and importation of all kinds of cars. Okay, sales and importation of all kinds of cars. So this is what we put in as the services rendered. Let me make this color, change the fonts. Let me use okay. Yeah, let me just leave something sleeky like this. Change the font size to 48. Okay, let me make it 60. 60 is good. So we just have to make sure that it is centralized. Alright, I think it's centralized this way. Alright, so we can now start adding this phone number. Let's just add WhatsApp. WhatsApp. The WhatsApp phone number is this. White. Increase the font to 60 or make it 72. Okay, WhatsApp. I think I should increase this phone number a little. Let's make it 100. Alright guys, I hope you are following up in what I am doing, and I hope it's making sense to you. So WhatsApp, number one. The next thing, Facebook. Let's put in Facebook. Where's the Facebook icon? Facebook. This Facebook is what? Diamond Autos, Twitter and Instagram. Let me just copy all of these and paste them here. Alright, keep them here. So Facebook is what? Diamond Autos. Diamond Autos. Instagram. Instagram. Put in the Instagram here too. Instagram and Twitter. Alright, so we have all stuffs here already. Alright, so Facebook is the next. Let me first of all arrange all the icons. Arrange this. Twitter. So in order for me to know if it's actually straight, I can just put in a line here so that I can align everything to be straight. Take this one off. So the purpose of this line is just to help me align this I've just done so they will be what? Straight. That's just the purpose of the line. No other purpose, nothing else. Just to align them for them to be straight. And also let me try to make these stops the same size. Okay, Instagram follow. Reduce the size a little. Okay, Twitter follow. Alright guys, we are moving forward. Alright, I think we're good to go. So let me add this address to it too. Address, I think address will be longer than them. So let me just bring it out here. So Diamond Autos, this can also be this. Select. So instead of me to do that, you can just copy and duplicate. Copy this, duplicate it, bring it down here. Do the same thing, bring it down here. So I hope you understand how I'm doing that. So instead of me to type, I just duplicate it and bring it down here. So these are their information. So I can now delete this one. And guys, I hope you're enjoying this. I can now remove this line. I think I should reduce the size of this a little. This one is how many? 72. Let me reduce this to 72 too, please. So they'll all be in line 72. And then I can take it to the side a little to match these guys. So the line can now go up. So in order for me to actually make this job stay like this, let me bring this to the middle a little so it can blend. So all I just need to do is I will just group all of these. So for me to group all of this so it does not move and shake, I just select this, press the shift down button, select, and I do what? Ctrl G. So immediately I do that, I can now move all of these together. So you see exactly how I've been able to group these together so they don't move out of position. So the next thing that I just need to do to add here is the address. So add the address here. Bring this here. So this is it, guys. I hope you can see exactly what we are doing and how beautiful it is becoming. So these are the details that we have just attached to it. There is just one thing that I don't like here. I don't like the look of this font. I don't like this font. Let me just change this font to something better. Nah. Okay, let me see what this looks like. Yes, I think I like this. Is better. This is better. So guys, this information we are just seeing is what we will be importing on our 3D mockup. I will show you how to do that shortly. Okay, I'll show you exactly how to do that shortly. So I have just added this information here to this design. I also need to do the same thing to put it on that other design. How will I do that? Very, very easy, guys. Let me group this one first. Ctrl G and take it up a little. Okay, I think we're good to go like that. Yeah, I think we're good. Yep. We're good to go. So now let me group all this together. Group this, and this. Ctrl G. So these are the informations that I want to add to that other design. It is just going to be very, very easy. I will just copy this and paste it on that one. So let me just create a new document. Same thing. Create that. Then import this. This one, this design now is what we'll be using. Let me group this first. I forgot I've not even grouped this one. Ctrl G. So group this. So we can now move this one around. Okay. Copy all. Remove this. Okay. And group this. So we're good to go. Yeah. So copy and come over to our new document. Make the background black. Make the background black color. I do what? I paste it here. Paste. Yes, we're good to go, guys. Delete. Alright guys, I hope you are seeing exactly what we're doing, and I hope it is making sense to you learning how to design logos from scratch. So once this is here like this, what we just need to do is come over here. This one we grouped, copy this, bring it here, and paste it here. And guys, we are good to go. I hope you get it. Very, very easy, extremely easy for you to do. In fact, I'm enjoying these designs. I'm enjoying it. I'm having mad fun right now. So these are the two designs we have just made. This is just a freestyle design. Of course, we can invest more time and make sure we get something very, very, very better out of this. But this is just a template to show you how these whole things are done. You get, so this is just the basic design we'll be showing to our client. But we will now be putting this up as a mock-up. I will be showing you exactly how to do that. So first thing I need to do now is to save this design as a PNG. Save for web. PNG. Okay. Save. Logo for car. Save. Save that one. Which other one do we need to save? Let me delete this. I think I'm good with this. Remove this. No. This one. Remove this. No. So this is the second design. So let me also save this out. File save as. Save. Save also to desktop. So guys, let's go and preview all the jobs that we have just done. So this is the very first one. This is one. This is the first one we made. Yes guys, this is the first design we made where we had just the two logos that we're going to show the client after mocking up. And this is the second, carrying the social media details, right? And this is what? This is the third. So these are the three designs that we have just made. Tell me guys, is this not beautiful? Isn't it beautiful? I know you are very, very sure. I'm sure you know that it is very, very beautiful. So guys, alright guys, I will now be showing you the steps of logo presentation. We cannot show the client this logo like this because it is not more appealing as it would appear on a 3D mock-up. What are we going to do? The next video is actually going to guide us through the whole process of presenting your logo. But before we go into that step, I will now give you an introduction to Photoshop. I will also be showing you exactly how to present these logos in what? 3D mockups, and how to make them become 3D logos. I'll see you guys in the next video.